Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Autofocus channel. Today we introduce you to the new 2025 Nissan Kicks. Coming in 2025, the Nissan Kicks subcompact crossover will be refreshed and combine maturity while maintaining the fun and accessible character of its predecessor. We have a new look at style both outside and inside. The Kicks' exterior has undergone significant changes, becoming more modern and bold. Apart from a slight hint of the original profile, the new Kicks looks more subdued and spacious. Inside the spacious cabin, there are new entertainment and information options, including a huge 12.3-inch central screen. The interior design matches the style of the exterior, creating a harmonious image. It's worth noting that a new 141 HP 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is now available, replacing the less powerful previous variant, making the Kicks more competitive in the market. What's new in 2025? This year, the Kicks has been completely redesigned, larger and with new styling both inside and out. A more powerful four-cylinder engine with all-wheel drive is now available, making it more attractive to buyers looking for a combination of power and handling. Prices and model selection. Prices for the new 2025 Nissan Kicks are expected to range from $23,000 to $26,000 depending on trim and options. We recommend choosing the SV model, which offers good value for money and functionality. Engine, transmission, and performance. The new 2.0-liter engine produces 141 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque, making the Kicks more responsive and efficient on the road. The CVT transmission sends power to the front or all four wheels for a confident, smooth ride in a variety of conditions. Interior, comfort, and cargo space inside, the new Kicks features horizontal displays and improved Nissan zero-gravity seats, providing enhanced comfort for both driver and passengers. Increased cargo space makes the Kicks even more practical for everyday use. Infotainment systems and connectivity options include a host of infotainment features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, and a 10-speaker Bose system for audiophiles. Safety and driver assistance features. Nissan offers a wide range of standard safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, making Kicks even safer and more confident to drive. Warranty and service. Nissan's warranty package offers the usual terms and conditions, and drivers can be confident in the reliability and quality of their vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 Nissan Kicks is a modern and sleek option for an urban lifestyle that combines style, comfort, and performance. It should be noted that Kicks has become more competitive this year with new features and improved performance. Thank you for watching the reviews of our channel. Subscribe to more detailed information about the latest in the automotive world and share your impressions in the comments. See you again on the roads.